Hey traders, Todd Gordon here of tradinganalysis.com. This is the free video update. This is going to be for Friday, July 10th, and crazy week of trading, which really didn't go anywhere. This is the SPY 3 hour. I'm going to update you from yesterday's free video. We actually haven't gone anywhere since the end of June, so it's been a lot of up and down, back and forth. We gave you a support level in the S&P that should hold, and we did hold. We got the gap up, but then we spent all day closing the gap, so we really didn't go anywhere from the prior day, which was yesterday, which was Wednesday. So we're still above this Fibonacci support level. I'll link you over to the video from yesterday explaining the reason why we saw support. It looks great on the gap open, then we closed the gap, so that's fine. We're at Fibonacci price and time support in the S&P. Basically with all the volatility back and forth, let me just say I won't be surprised if we go higher, and there's a good chance we can go lower. So that's like the Naked Gun quote. There's a 50-50 chance that he'll be okay, and there's a 10% chance of that, if you guys remember that movie. So anyways, point is, be nimble. Okay, you want to be long the strong stocks and short the soft ones. Okay, so the trade we gave you yesterday was Cigna. And Cigna performed like a rock star today. So we have the 155, 150 put spread on. So we sold the 155s, bought the 150s in, I think we did it in July. And Cigna was up like 4 to 5% today in an otherwise down market. Here's the S&P on the overlay. So Cigna was really strong today in a down stock market. So Cigna performed very well. We're long that one. We gave you that one yesterday. And then the next one we're going to look at, which is a short setup, being that the market acted so weak today, is one we've had our eye on, which is WIN. You can see WIN tracking the S&P pretty well. So both kind of closed near their lows today, so that's fine. Let me just remove him. Let me go out to a bigger picture. Let's go out to a 3 hour. And okay. So here's what we're looking at in WIN. We just did a webinar tonight, and this is a classic setup. Okay, so we have a down, we have a downtrending 55 EMA, so that's good. The trend of the market's down. Okay, you have a move up. You get a first minor swing high. There's your next purple dot, which is a minor swing low, and then we just got a next one. Okay, so we have a three-wave swing against downward trending moving averages. So that is a short setup. Okay. Beyond that, we failed at the 61% retracement of the prior blue dot high, which is your major swing down to your major swing low. So it's a major swing high, blue dot to the low is your major swing low. Do Fibonacci retracement. That tells you where to start and stop your fib. You would not use this one because this is below the high of the correction. So you're going to use the most recent major swing wave high to calculate your fib retracements. So you go low to high. Then you got a three-wave swing into retracement resistance 786. You failed, and then you're beginning to move lower. So the setup after a three-wave swing is a low below the final swing wave high right there. So your entry is 107.51. We are close to it. We're about $1, about a little $2 away. So we've missed the ideal entry, which would be this bar. But if we gap up tomorrow, you can still get a good entry. Stops go above the high, 112.62, and you'll be looking to take profits. The 786 retracement, which is 97.30, and then down to the 1272, which is 88.11. Okay, WIN is a very weak stock, and if you take a look at the daily, you can see that this thing is just getting crushed with everything that's going on in China. Gambling stocks were weak, and then the bonanza with China happened, and that's really putting the hurt on them because of their exposure to Macau. All right, so we'll leave it there, guys. Good luck. If this helps, please give us a like on the YouTube channel. That helps us rise up in the very competitive YouTube landscape. There's a lot of great stuff in YouTube, so please help us rise up. And if you'd like to get us every day, just go ahead and subscribe, and we will talk to you on the next free video update. Good luck trading, guys.